Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So on today's video, I am bringing you guys this gorgeous, simple, easy, spring, fresh makeup look. Those are a lot of keywords. I hope you guys love this look. It's super easy to create, you guys. It is just perfect for spring. So enough talking, let's jump right into this makeup. So I'm gonna begin with the face, and I have been using this new serum by Lancome. You guys, look at the packaging. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, the purple. So that's why this look is based around the bottle, because this purple is just so freaking gorgeous. I love this purple. If you guys know me, this is my favorite color, purple and turquoise. So this serum is a 3-in-1, and if you guys can see, look at the pump. It's 3 little holes because you get your vitamin C, you get your hyaluronic acid. It has niacinamide and ferulic acid. You guys, it has everything for your skincare. So I think perfect, and it smells so good. It has just like a light scent, not so much, because you guys know I don't like putting things that like have a strong scent. So yeah, I just like to apply it all over. And my face is feeling a little bit dry right now because I have not been drinking water. I think I have a stomach virus, you guys. I have been burping like crazy, so much throwing up in the morning, like so much acid, and just my stomach has been hurting so much. Don't forget your hands and your neck. So I don't know if it's just the nerves or what that have been getting to me. But yeah, don't forget your neck. That's like the main part where you can see when we're aging. All right, so now that we're nice and moisturized, I'm gonna leave that to set that. But this bottle is just so cute, and this product is so good, you guys. So now I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow base by Ace Beauty, and a little bit goes a long way, you guys, because this thing is super pigmented. So I'm just going to apply it on my lid, and then I'll get you guys a little close up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, there goes my stomach. It's just burning and twisting. So it has to be a stomach virus, because I thought it was because I was driving. You know, and the nerves get to you, but no, it's just been hurting. So I just cover the whole lid, the inner corners, and I'll make it you guys a little bit close. So I'm gonna be using this Slay It makeup palette by Bella Cosmetics, you guys, and I'm gonna start out with this gorgeous brown just on the crease. I already set my eyes, by the way, so nothing like creases on me. So I'm adding a little bit more and just winging it out like a little triangle, if you guys can see that. Now I'm gonna add another brown from the palette, you guys, just to add more dimension. Just focusing that on my line of the crease. Now you can cut your crease, but I'm not. I don't feel like doing that today. I'm gonna use this light shade right here. I'm gonna use a flat shader brush, and girl, I have been using my Sigma brushes. Like, I put all my other brushes away and I'm just using these brushes, you guys. They are really good, so I really recommend them to you. I've been trying to get, I thought I had a discount code with Sigma. I'm trying to, but if I do, I'll put it in the I was gonna say the window, in the screen. So I'm just patting that shade, like pretend I'm cutting the crease. Now I'm just gonna eyeline my top line and kind of smoke it out and wing it. This is really creamy, and it's by Fit Glow Beauty. And then on the other side, it has like a really sharp edge. Okay, so now for the fun part. I don't know which one to use. Like, I'm gravitating to this one. Yeah, I just have like a bunch of purple eyeliners. So this one is the one by NYX, you guys, and it's the Purple Blaze. Yeah, Purple Blaze. I thought it's a Purple Haze. Let me sharpen it, by the way. The Dragon Beauty sharpener that I told you guys. It's so good. I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. It's okay. It's not as pigmented like how it comes out in my hand. So pigmented. Now I'm gonna bring it down and just smoke that out. And I'm also going to be applying some eyeshadow, connecting it to the outer edge. It is creamy and pigmented at the bottom, not just on the waterline. I'm going to be applying this gorgeous purple right here under my lash line. And I'm using that brush I showcased on my BoxyCharm makeup look. So I'm going to be applying this primer by Makeup Forever, you guys. I love this one, and it minimizes my pores. So I just apply it around my pore area and I just pat it. I'm going to be applying this foundation. I don't know if I have showed it here on YouTube, but it's the Long Wear Liquid Foundation by Luminous. Packaging is so freaking beautiful, and I am in color Latte. I get red so quick. I'm just going to pat it. It is on the thicker side. So I'm gonna apply some concealer, and the one that I'm going to be using, it's by Benefit Cosmetics, the Boing one. I'm gonna apply some Airspun loose powder with my damp with my damp beauty blender by Araceli Beauty. I actually been just gravitating to this one a little bit more. It's super soft, you guys, so I'm just going to pat that powder under. I'm going to use this Maybelline Lasting Fix in Banana Translucent Setting Powder. So when I do that, I like to apply my bronzer, and for that I'm going to be using my Too Faced bronzer in Dark Chocolate Soleil. So the packaging looks so dirty, but it's okay. And just apply it all over. This brush is so freaking good. I'm gonna contour my nose, and you guys already know my favorite go-to brush is the one by Royal Atlantico, their Angle eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna grab the same powder I was using. Like, that is too strong. Imagine me walking out like that, girl. No. I'm gonna blend that. Move the powder that I had in there. So for my lips, I wanted to use this new Fruit Fetish Strawberry Lip Oil by Milani, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to use also a Milani lip liner in color Nude. So look at how small it is, but it's just perfect. So let me line my lips. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh girl, that's perfect. It has like a color, feels amazing, and it smells so freaking good. For the lashes, I'm going to be using the ones by Ardell, Fox Mink Lashes and Fox Wispy. This lash is like so dramatic but so natural looking at the same time. I'm adding this American Beauty Rose blush, you guys, by Milani, and oh my goodness, my stomach. And it just gives it like a gorgeous pink dolly makeup look. It's so pretty. So I'm almost done. I'm just going to set my face using the Milani Make It Last makeup setting spray. Oh, feels so good. It's so fresh. And then just with my makeup brush, I'm just going to pat that. And there you guys have this gorgeous makeup look just in time for spring, you guys. It is simple, easy, fresh. So I hope you guys love this look. If you guys want more spring makeup looks, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and also the notification bell so you guys could be notified of my upcoming videos, because I'm trying, girl. I am trying to push out at least one video a week for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.